know that Instagram has a new feature where you can get gold notes. I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to get gold color notes on Instagram. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest version of the app. To do so, open Play Store, tap on the search icon, type in Instagram, then tap on search. Here, make sure you have the latest version. Now open the Instagram application. Tap on the messenger icon at the top right. Tap on the note at the top left. Now, here type in gold, goat, medal, victory, gold emoji or medal emoji. If you type in any of these words or emojis in a sentence and tap on share at the top right, you will get a gold color note. You can do so while also sharing a reel in your notes. If you want to know how to share a reel in your Instagram note, do check out our video on that topic. And that is how to get gold note on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.